Hello, Split Coast friends. I'm Frances Martin. Most people know me by Frenchie at FrenchieStamps.com. Today I'm going to share with you how to use a fun foam to do a full letter. It's an old technique, but a fun technique, and I love the touch of it and so on. So let's get started. We're going to start, we need a piece of fun foam, and you can do that in many colors, so on. You're going to need a little bit bigger than your image you want to stamp. And you see I'm just using my regular snip. It cut like butter. Now I'm going to use a piece of foil, just regular foil, to put in the back. It just intends the heat here. We're going to use our heat tool, and then I got the StazOn ready to go with my stamp, and that's the boots from Country Living. So let's get started with the embossing tool, and you want to warm that up till really it curls, because we want that impression. So let me warm this up. And you're going to see when it's ready, it's going to be all curled. So that's how you know that you warm it up enough. You want to make it very soft that you get your impression. See, now it starts curling. You want to make sure that all surface, it's all good. Now we're going to stop that. That's why you need your stamp ready to go, because you don't want it to get hard again, or not hard but not soft. So when you put your stamp, really put that pressure on it so you get all that impression inside the fun foam. That should be good. Let's remove this. Perfect. Let me show you close up. Now you can see the indent in it. So really it's all like a letter with that indent. Now to add the colors, like for the sole, I just use a regular black marker. That happens, it's the Stampin' Up marker here. And I put the sole, I color the sole and the heel at the bottom there, the black. And then for the buckle there and the loop at the top, I use soft suede. So you just color a little bit. If you see your marker, it's too dark, you can use aqua painter and blend that a little bit more with water. But in this case, I think that it's perfect. And you can even add some, you know, where the lines are. You can add a little bit more character, whatever that you prefer. Now, you're going to take this and just cut it out. And it cut, like I said, just like butter. Now, I prepare my card base here that it's early espresso crumb cake with grain texture paper, and all the supplies going to be listed in the description there, and also the stamp set and so on. Now I'm going to be using a piece of crumb cake that measure 5 1/4 by 1 1/2, and that we're going to do another type of kind of faux leather. So this is crumb cake, but I am using Saracen, and that's what I call indirect. And you want to tap it just a little bit, and depend how much that you get your ink. Sometimes it's get darker or lighter, but don't worry if it's a bit dark, because as it dry, it's going to dry lighter. So just tap this on, and that's give another look of leather. If you look at the crumb cake and the soft Saracen, it really gives that look of leather. Now I got the stamp set feather together that I get that happy birthday here from. Oops, I'm going to put my happy birthday right here. Here, voila. Now we're going to mount that in the front. Oh, I did that reverse, see? That's okay. We're going to fix the inside. And I'm going to mount that at the front here. Going to put that right here. And then for the fun foam, I like to use, you can use dimensional or glue dot. I like the glue dot. It seemed that really secure it good. Oh, and this time, sometimes it's still kind of hot, Well, let's try our glue dots. Not glue dots, but dimensional. I think in this case, dimensional is going to do the trick better. And plus, raise the boot would be awesome. So I got dimensional. Let me pull this up here. Here we go. And here we go. And I'm going to put my boot right here. See? Simple and quick masculine card. Hope you all enjoyed this. And again, Split Coast, thank you for inviting me to be a guest presenter. Till next time, happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye for now.